Yeah, welcome back. Something broke again on my car, which in this case is not due to any manufacturing stupidness. This is the stupidness of a passenger which I took in my car, which I shouldn't have done, honestly. So what happened? What you see here is the locking mechanism out of the lid of the middle armrest center console between driver and passenger. And as you can see, it doesn't come back to its resting position by its own. And that's not the worst. The worst is that there should be a hook down here, which is holding it into place, which is basically holding the lid of the armrest down. And the hook one is that one here. It just broke. So what happened? The lid fell down, and yeah, the hook broke. I tried to glue it already. As you can see, it didn't work out pretty good. So I thought I used this opportunity to make some small video out of it. Maybe someone got the same problem and I can help. So my intention now is to get a better surface. This is basically the small axle, which is moving inside there. There's a gear on this side here, some sort of part of the gear, which is then hooking into the gear down here, which is moving the hook. So what I try to do now is I get a better surface on this and try to glue it with some better glue. I'm going to try hard curing, fast curing, 2-part epoxy resin here. Yeah, I will see. I will put a link in the description how you get this one out. I found a nice video about how you get this one out of your middle armrest. So that's not very hard. And yeah, I will continue with gluing the hook again on this axle and try if it gets any better. So to get a better surface on this axle thing here, I just used a sharp knife to get some really deep grooves in this plastic, and I just hope that the glue can stick better to it now. It was, as you can see on this more right side there, it was very shiny, and I should have done it in the first place. Yeah, okay. I need to admit I made a mistake now. So these two parts, as they were separated, they came out here very easily, but right now I cannot get that one in there, at least not in the correct position. I will try to figure that out and then I'll find a solution. So I try to do it one-handed. It is important to get not this half, this thinner side, so to get this other one in first. And then you need to shift it somehow around the gears, which is not at all possible to do it one-handed. The hook need to be completely to the front, and then I'll try to get it done again. Okay, it doesn't work one-handed. Okay, but I had it in already. I'll show you in a second. So the spring can come later. The spring fits later. So that side first here, and then the other one, and then the spring, and then it goes in from the inside. I try to show you. At some point it should look like this. Then you drop it down completely. Hook points to the front. So I got it back in. This is how it should look in the end. The spring was bad to attach, and to be honest, I just wrestled nearly 1 hour with it. So it does work now. The question is, because during my wrestling, as you might be able to see here, so I damaged some of my glue. I need to glue it again now. So if you possibly can, then do the gluing part while the axle is still installed. That was ridiculous. I should have done it the other way around. Just put the axle in and then do the glue. I think it's way more easy. Okay, I will redo some glue and then I will report about the long time testing. So this is my end product. I think I used a ridiculous amount of glue. But I mean, in the end. This part cost 80 euro at Mercedes, so not too bad. It does work. It looks very stiff. I don't feel any play. Actually, it feels very good. I will install it in the car and then I will see.